Young Sporty 192 here. Today I'm going to show you my new money clamp wallet, and I got it online at the website www.moneyclamp.org. I just got it in the mail yesterday. It only took about 3 days to get it here. To my place, and I'm going to show you how the money clamp works. First, you got the wallet with the ID showing on the front. Then you got the middle pocket there for extra credit cards or receipts you want to put in there, and on the back side you got 3 card slots. And I'm going to show you the best part, my favorite part of it, is the Geneva clamp. And it's got two flaps that open like this. And you got the lever, makes it into a lever to open. That's why there's like that middle prong there. And so this is how the money clamp works. So I'm going to take my insurance card, put it in the first slot, and then I can take my CVS card, and sorry, I'm only doing this one-handed because I have my camera in the other hand, as you can see, and then my Stop and Shop card. Okay, and then on the other side is, if I can find it, is my license. It goes in like that. Okay, here's the fun part. Here's my money, and just put it in, fold it like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna take, this is gonna be a little bit alright, and you take like this, and just close that like that, and that's your money clamp. Thank you for watching. Please rate and comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching my video.